Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market today. In this video, we're talking about the 3M Wire Pulling Lubricant Gel WLQT. And let me tell you, this is the best 3M lubricant you can get for all your cable pulling needs. If you're in the construction or electrical business, or even just someone looking to install cables around your house, you'll know how challenging it can be to pull wires through tight spaces. Whether it's walls, conduit, or even just hard-to-reach corners, friction is a problem. But this 3M wire pulling lubricant gel is specifically designed to reduce that friction, making the job smoother and quicker. One of the standout features of this lubricant gel is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of cable types and jacket materials, meaning no matter what wires you're working with, this lubricant will work for you. It's translucent, which not only makes it easy to apply but also easy to clean up. Unlike other lubricants that can stain, you won't have to worry about any mess left behind. And, since it's OL listed and CSA certified, you can be sure it meets high safety standards for your industrial or occupational needs. The gel comes in a convenient 1-quart bottle, offering plenty of lubricant for your project without the need for constant reapplication. It's priced at $19.39, which, considering how much time and effort it will save you, is a great investment. Plus, it's lightweight at just 1 quart and comes with a handy flip-top cap for easy pouring. This lubricant is not for consumer sale, so it's built with industrial strength needs in mind. You get a high-performing product that ensures durability and reliability throughout your work. Whether you're pulling wire in construction, telecommunications, or electrical setups, this gel makes the process easier, reducing the chances of damaging your cables and cutting down on the time you spend working. If you're looking for a lubricant that makes your cable pulling smoother and more efficient, the 3M Wire Pulling Lubricant Gel WLQT is a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique today, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the best tools and products available.